Hello friends, welcome to the Knowledge World. Hope you are liking my videos and I see your response and all. So it's really nice. I really like to see the comments and the subscribers are increasing day by day and many people are asking direct questions too. So recently I have got few questions like they want to understand what is US staffing or what is US IT recruitment. So here I would try to give you the overview of the industry in short. So, or for more details, you can go to the videos and you can understand the videos accordingly. Here, like in US IT recruitment, what exactly we are doing, we are going to hire people for our clients who are clients are in US and candidates are also in US. So they give the requirement to us, our clients, and we try to search the exact candidate for that using different job portals like Dice, Monster, Career Builder, TechFetch, and so many ways are there to recruit the candidate. And the candidates are available in the US. So many visa status are there, work authorizations are there. So like we need to see the work authorization as per the client requirement. Sometimes they say like any work authorization would work. Sometimes they do have some limitations. So we need to recruit the candidates accordingly. And yes, in short, it is a recruiting of a person who is in US for IT based firms in US. So we are searching software developers, admins, and all for IT based firms mainly. If we are in IT recruitment, and there are two parts here. One is recruitment, second part is bench sales. So concluding like that, we work all together as a group. Sometimes bench people are having the candidates on their bench and they provide the candidates to the recruiters who are looking for the candidates for their clients, and that recruiter is going to submit to the client. So a client may have multiple layers. Sometimes it may be the recruiters directly working, that company is directly working with the end client, and sometimes it is layer based. For an example, they are working with TCS work is working with the end client. So that way it is the industry we work for. And here as a career path, what is the like opportunity or future here it is. See, like so many people are relating this to the IT as well, as the salaries are good here. But when you start the career in US IT recruitment, so it depends on the city as well and the state where you are working in India or any another country. So it totally depends on that, like where you are. So you'll be getting the salary accordingly. It's not very high salary in starting, but it goes something like you can do a start. And hope you understand, when you go in any kind of industry, so you need to invest some time, you need to give some time, and you need to learn the things and all. Just like the college education is not going to be enough for performing the things till you learn practically how the work is actually going to be done. So you need to learn the things. So don't focus a lot on the salary part if you are starting for any career or any industry. Just focus, you are learning or not. If you're learning, so obviously you will go and you will grow to the next higher level, and that would help you to get the higher packages as well. In US IT staffing, yes, packages are good, and starting you may fight for 1 year or sometime like 2 years or 3 years, but later on it is going to be very good. And if you are smart enough, so people are making their good salaries in 1 year as well. It totally depends on you. Here, yes, plate is there, like which is having each and everything in the plate, like salad, fruits, veg, non-veg, and all. It is on you, like you are taking everything or you're just taking something. So it totally depends and relate to the salary as well. So hope I explained whatever was asked in the comments and in my emails too. And if you have any questions related to that, so please comment and like also. And it would be better if you are going to subscribe and refer the channel to the people, because I'm just going to add many fruitful videos here in future. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, stay tuned.